Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lookman, and today we want to look at 7 things that you need to make money from YouTube. There are so many things you need to make money from the YouTube, but out of these things, we'll be looking at just 7. And out of these 7, there are some that are optional, there are some that you don't really need so much, it's not compulsory, but there are some that are compulsory, so much compulsory that you need to get. And I want to assure you, what I'm going to be talking about is never been talked about before anywhere on YouTube. You'll be hearing it from me fresh because I have been there. I know what it means. When I started from zero, I've gone through, I've had so many advices, so many lessons from the so-called gurus. But on my way, I realized those things that they were telling me are not that important. And I want to let you have first-hand information on those things that you need to make money from YouTube. Before we continue, if you are new here, consider subscribing. Just subscribe. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost you anything. Click the subscribe button. You see a button under this video. It is in red. Just click on it. It is free. A bell will come out. Click on the bell so that's the notification bell, so that when next I release videos, you will be notified immediately, and you won't miss out on any of my videos. So let's get into it. The number one thing that you need to start making money from YouTube is you need a good script. And this good script, you need it in a good niche. There are so many niches in the YouTube. Any niche that you choose, it might be in the make money niche, as I am doing. It might be in the relationship niche. It might be in the sex niche. It might be in the gaming niche. It might be in the tech niche. And all this, there are so many niches because there are so many people on YouTube. YouTube is a whole continent on its own because a lot of people on YouTube. And if anybody needs anything, they go to YouTube. So to start making money, you have to be in the right niche. But being in the right niche is not enough. You must have a script. It's like if you are in the money niche, you must have the script. This is what I want to say. This is how I want to, and your script must be there. You must have at least 30 days content on ground, so that you won't get to a point and get tired. So the number one thing is you need a script. The number two is that you need something to record yourself. I don't want to say camera, because if I say camera, people will say, how do I get money for camera? Because camera is so costly. Anything that you can use to record yourself. And thank God, your smartphone can do the job. I'm presently recording this video, this tutorial for you on my smartphone, and I've been doing that for some time. I have a camera, but I never started with camera. I started with my phone, and I have been doing that. So you need something to record your videos. So the first one, we talk about the script in a good niche. The second one, you need something to record yourself, preferably your phone. Your phone can do, your smartphone can do it. Then the third one, to me, which is also very important, is the light. There is no way you want to record a video in a dark place. Nobody will see you. So you need light, and the light can be artificial, or it can be natural or artificial. Natural, it means just you can be very close to the window, the source of light from the sun, or you can stay outside and record your video. There are so many vlogs that they do on the road, and they are generating a lot of money. Most of these highest paid YouTubers are people who do vlogging, and they do it outside without having anywhere. So they use natural light. If you want to use a studio or your office, then you need artificial light also, but you need source of light, which is very important, because anybody that is watching your video must see exactly what you are about, because the light source makes the video to come out very well. Then the next one will be audio. Audio is very important. It's very important. The audio, the quality, even people can pardon you if your your pictures are not sharp. They can pardon you if the light is not that good, but they will never pardon you if your audio is not good, because audio is how they hear you talk, what you are talking, what you are saying. So audio is very important. You should try to list this as I'm listing it. Number one, you need a script in a good niche. Number two, you need something to capture yourself, to video yourself, which is, it can be a camera, can be your phone. Then number three, source of light. Then the fourth one is the audio. Then the fifth one that I want to talk about, though this one is optional, you need something to steady your camera. You need something to steady your camera, and this is very simple. You can use a selfie stick. You can hold your camera with your hand, but it must be steady. Then you can just use a stack of books in your office and place your phone on it. When I started, I used to have a bucket. I will just a bucket. I have something that will hold the bucket, that will hold my phone behind the bucket, and just put my phone, and I'm recording, and it doesn't cost. And so you need something to steady your camera, because you need a steady camera so that you can record very well. Then the sixth one is a background. This one is optional. You need a backdrop where you can, the backdrop must be very good if you want to record. But if you are the type that do the vlogging type, that you don't really need a particular background, you can use your environment as your background. If you do vlogging and you are outside, you want to look at the street, you can just record it. The street will now become your background. Or if you have somewhere around your where you live, where there is a very good color, good wall there, just stay behind the wall and you record. But if you have a studio, a studio specifically designed for your videos, then you need backdrops. Backdrops, you can do it yourself, or the ones they've already made. You can do it yourself. Just get some plain fabrics and just hang behind you. Or you can get chroma background, like the green background. You can put it and you can do whatever you like. But just look for somewhere. This is optional, it's not compulsory. You can record anywhere. Your subscribers are not concerned about your background. What they are concerned about is the message, is the script, the message that you are dishing. Then the last one that I want to talk about is the editing tool. This one is also very optional. If you are starting out, you don't need editing tools. When I started, I don't edit anything. What I do is I'll just record straight and upload to YouTube direct. It was even a premiering time. I will just premiere it. I will just do it immediately. I upload it. I don't add anything. But now I want to add subscribe button. I want to add this. It's making the job a little bit, but it's optional. You don't really have to do it. Even if you are doing a video that is as long as 10 minutes, you don't really need any editing app. It's not compulsory, because I don't really, but I have to tell you so that you get ready. So when you start small, then you have to, when you want to scale up, then you scale gradually. But YouTube needs a lot of patience. You need content, you need a lot of patience, and you need a lot of consistency. You continue to do it. You continue to do it. When you continue to do it, then you continue to grow. And you have to remember that to make money from YouTube, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And to get 1,000 subscribers is not a day job. So, but you need good content. And if you have all these things, put them together, be consistent, have good content, and be patient, you will definitely have it. And once you have it, the money will start rolling it. I want to stop here. If you are not subscribed, please just subscribe now. It is free. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. And for those who have already subscribed, thanks for subscription. Just share this video, like it and share it, give comments, give me comment, please motivate me, help this channel to grow. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart. And don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.